Hello Aries, this will be your weekly love reading from 23rd to 29th of August 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Aries, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that the energy can be going both ways. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. Also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. First card is Three of Cups, Page of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the Star, and Justice. Yes. Bottom of the deck we have is Ace of Cups. So first of all, I will tell you about the sign present here. Sign are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We don't have fire sign here, however any sign can be, but this will be the energy of the person you are dealing with, or your energy. Okay, so let's jump right into it. And now we have on the bottom of the deck is Ace of Cups, and just below I can see here Ten of Cups as well. Ace of Cups is here. That means right now in this week, all you are getting, most of you or all are getting Ace of Cups. Means you are getting a love offer. Okay, love offer from someone who knows you better. Okay, maybe he or she is your friend, and that person is actually very much interested in you from long time, and now they thinking about to express their feeling. Okay, express their emotions which are overflowing. Okay, so they are actually making you an offer of love and respect as well. I can see the respect also. Okay, so this person wanted to share their emotion to you. Okay, and they are having very good intention towards you actually, because the Ten of Cups is here. That means this person is very much interested in you to just to be settled down with. Okay, so this person wants to settle down with you, and they want long term commitment, marriage commitment, etc. But this person is in their mind right now. They have that plan for you, but they don't know how to execute it. Okay, Six of Pentacles is here. That they just want to balance the situation out, and actually they think that if they will right away tell you that they love you, then it will be a very surprising situation for you, and then you may not proceed well with this. So they think like that. Now they think like they should do a 50-50 thing. Okay, they want to balance out the situation, and then they will, whenever they will feel that this is the right time, then they will tell you about their feelings, because it's long time coming. I already told you this person have taken a long back. They have taken so much of time already, and they are actually proceeding step by step further, okay, towards you, to give this offer to you. Now it's coming at your door actually. Okay, so first card is Three of Cups. So this person can be your past person, ex person, or anybody else you have some past with. Okay, may not be romantically involved, may maybe like this person have already expressed their feeling before, but you rejected it, even if that has not started. So now this person wants to talk to you actually, and they want to express their feeling again towards you because they know that you are single now. Okay, so they want to reconcile. Most of the people are your ex or your past person, but if it is a new person, then they want to celebrate it with you, they want to have a date with you. Okay, so first of all they will tell you about, ask you about the date. Okay, if you are interested in going to going with them for date, then they will be very happy. Okay, so this person wants to take this seriously, but right now they are on the just initializing, they are just initializing this relationship. Okay, so there will be a small romantic gestures also. Page of cups is here, so this person is interested in you, they want to be playful, first of all, because they want you to be in a comfort zone now. Okay, so this person can be a water sign person as well, because because page of cups is here, it can represent a water sign, and also this person's energy will be the water sign kind of person. Like they will be very playful, they will be very light hearted, they want to have romantic sense of humor. Okay, is it make sense? So this person wants to offer you a little bit right now, not fully. They don't want to give you a right away commitment, because I told you that this person is a little bit hesitant to tell you about their feeling right now, but they will start this week. Okay, so this person will definitely tell you a little bit about their feelings, not completely. Okay, so the next card is two of pentacles. So you will right away know that this person will have a feelings for you in future as well, and you know his or her plans. Basically they actually you have the sense, or you have the intuitions that this person will take it further. Okay, it's not like just it will end here only. Okay, so you are just juggling two things actually right now. I think most of you are already in a relationship with somebody else, and this person don't know, or maybe you are just leaving some relationship right now, and this person just came in front of you. Okay, so you are in a dilemma right now, you are just juggling two peoples, or you may be already busy, and this person just came into picture. So this can be different for everybody. Okay, so two of pentacles is here, that means you are right now juggling two things, or two people, or one people one thing, like that. Okay, so right now this will be your position. The star, this is a major arcana for Aquarius. Okay, so you might be dealing with an Aquarius right now, or you have the strong placement of Aquarius in your chart. Okay, so the star card is representing here that you are also hopeful that this relationship should work out. Okay, because you are also interested in this person, and actually romantically you are actually want to get involved with this person, but right now you have some hurdles. Okay, so you're hoping that those hurdles will go off, or and you just want that this should work out anyhow, so you're just manifesting it. And some of you are healing also from your last commitment. Okay, your last partner have hurt you very much from deep inside, and right now you're just healing, and you just want to heal very quickly so that you can welcome this new energy. Okay, so you all maybe most of you are going through a separation from your partner. Maybe the person you are in commitment with, you are breaking up, or you are in a process of breaking up maybe, or it can be like you are just getting a divorce also. Maybe it already long back you separated from this person, and right now you have filed for a divorce or something, and right now you're getting it, and that's why you are just being free from this, and then you will start a new chapter in your life, in your love life. So I can see that if that is not there, so some of you, maybe some Libra person is coming. Okay, Libra person is coming because it's your seventh house. Okay, because you are Aries, then your seventh house will be Libra. So seventh house is your partner's house. Okay, so I guess this is Libra, means this is actually activating your seventh house, means it this person has the potential to be your life partner. Okay, so it can actually represent a marriage also, or in a future, in this future actually I can see that you will be getting married with this person legally. Okay, so let me pull out some outcome card for you, one outcome card for you actually for this week. Please give me a card for an outcome. Devil and King of Wands. Okay, so I can see King of Wands is here. That means this person have offered you already something. Okay, this person have already offered you something because they are very passionate towards you. Maybe this is the person who is Leo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, anybody can be, but from here I can see that this person can be Leo. So this person wants to offer you already, or they have already offered you something. Okay, and you're just taking a step back. Okay, why? Because you don't want to get into this kind of relationship. Okay, because already you are being you are in a very tough situation in your love life, maybe from your past person or your present person. Maybe it's already been here, so you don't want any toxicity in your relationship, but you want to work out this. Okay, so you just want to release this toxicity or third party situation first, and then you will proceed with this person. Okay, I can see that. So let me pull out the Queen of Moon oracle for you. Hunger and attraction. So you have very means very strong attraction towards each other, I can see that, and universe is saying just keep some control over it. Okay, don't we just jump into it, because attraction can be leading to the toxic situation, as the devil is here. So universe is just warning you, just don't be just let it flow, not like that. Okay, you just keep a control over it. Okay, and hunger is here, so that actually again confirms that it this hunger actually it's a hunger of a true soulmate. Okay, you don't want to get into relationship with a person like who is not your soulmate, or who is just a karmic connection. So you universe is saying that just control your hunger, and right person will be given to you at the very right time. So universe is saying that. Okay, so be in control actually. Okay, so this is the reading for you, Aries. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.